Hello there. Welcome to FarmLinkr.com, your online farmers marketplace, where we link you to local farmers hassle-free. In today's video, we will show you how to use our platform to conveniently purchase your fresh produce online with just a few clicks. On FarmLinkr, you can choose to shop for home or shop for business. So for the purpose of this tutorial, we'll be shopping for home. When you have selected this, it will show you all the available retailer options. Or let's say you're looking for something more specific. Let's say you're looking for lettuce. You'd go to the search bar and type the word lettuce. Search. Right, so you'll see a variety of products. This is from different vendors, and you may select the one that you prefer. But it is highly recommended that you purchase a variety of items from a specific vendor. So you select the item. So what you do now is select the quantity that you need. But before adding to cart, I would suggest that you spend some time to read through the description of the item, the delivery cost, and so on before making a decision. So you select add to cart. Your item was added, and if you'd want to continue shopping, you would select continue shopping. This will allow you to select other items that you may need. But let's say you'd want to buy specifically only from that vendor. You would select the name of the store, for example, Nature Touch Farms, and it would carry to the storefront, which will show you the available options that they. Right, so as you can see, they have watermelon, seedlings, tomatoes, and so on. So similar procedure, you can select the item, indicate the quantity, add to cart, success, the item was added to cart. You select continue shopping to go back out. But for the purpose of this tutorial, we will be selecting a market box, and depending on the vendor, the name may change, but these boxes oftentimes offer around 20 pounds of fresh produce, which may vary to include fruits, vegetables, or tubers. Then was added to cart. Right. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm just going to purchase this box alone, but if you want to add a variety of items from different vendors, feel free to do so. If you want to find out more about the vendor, you can simply look at their seller profile, and you can also contact the seller through our platform. But for now, we're going to just check out. So you check out by selecting cart right here. Alright, so here we are. So as you can see, my total is 4,100. Before checking out, it is really important that you find out the days on which your vendor delivers and also their delivery location. Ensure that you enter the address to which you would like your products to be delivered. Then submit. Also, it's a gift. Feel free to click this option and write your message. In order to complete your payment, make sure that your information is correct. In order to complete your payment, you will need a debit or a credit card. Please enter the digits on your card as well as its expiry date and the CV code. The CV code is an additional 3 digits on the back of your card. Then select pay. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. And of course, shop now at farmlinkr.com.